Here I am outside the Emerald Dairy factory. It's brand new. It should be done in September, and they expect to start running at about 40% capacity. You can see how tall the building is. That's important because it can help you figure out how much capacity they can do. So it's a big area. Here's the inside. This is the first floor of the Emerald Dairy factory. Again, this is located in Hailun. It's about a 3.5-hour drive outside of Harbin. It's about an 800,000 person city, so it's pretty large, although small for China. Here we have the CFO over here, and you can see they're almost done building, but they still have about a month more to go.
This one section, you see the doors?
Yeah.
They are fireproof doors, so if that section gets fire, we shut down the door.
Makes sense.
We'll put a fire that gets into this section.
This is the storage room for all the packing materials. You can see how big it is, and this is just for the packaging materials. These tanks help to solidify the milk before it goes into the dryers. I would estimate they're about 40 to 50 feet high, but I don't know exactly. I showed these tanks already, but this is from a different angle. These add the various products to the milk in order to turn them into a liquid powder. So there's several condensing products and nutrients that go into the milk before they're turned into powder. I'm at the top of the tank with Emerald Dairy, and here you can see this is the powder dryer. So the milk, the raw milk, comes in through there and then gets dried in this huge tank. And then it goes into this massive vat, which is 12 stories high, and you can see the circumference is absolutely huge. So it's quite large. And some of the milk powder circles back into the tanks that are on the other side. This is one tank for the Emerald Dairy powder, and it does 250 tons per day. And I'm walking around the entire thing just to give you an idea of how big it is. Only passed about a quarter of it so far. And this will eventually be the line C. So right now, this is the line B tank, and they're going to build an equally large one, which is line C. Here are the other two smaller tanks. So I'm about 3/4 of the way around the tank now. And I made it back around, so that's how big the tank is. Here I'm at the holding tank for the milk powder for American Dairy, for Emerald Dairy, and you can see it's quite large. It's probably about maybe 6 feet high and about maybe 30 to 40 feet long. So it's a pretty large tank. And they have another tank that will be on the other side of the room, but it's not completed yet. This is the final stage for the powder. From here it goes down to the bottom floor where it's packaged in the clean room.